In this video, let's learn how to remove fingerprint on your mobile lock screen. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here, you can see fingerprints option. Click on it. After you want to type your pattern or pin. Now you can see this is my first fingerprint. Click on it. After, if you want to remove this fingerprint, click on remove button. Now no any fingerprint have on this mobile. In this method you can remove your fingerprint on your A06 mobile.